Hello and welcome to the Pizzeria Imparable podcast. Picture this. Tomorrow, when you unlock your shop, every customer who walks through the door feels like they've discovered something new, fresh, and exciting, even if you've been using the same dough recipe for years. That sense of novelty turned into experience is what separates a pizzeria that merely survives from one that leads its neighborhood. Today, we're talking about how to innovate in a pizzeria and why that innovation, combined with smart marketing, can boost your sales and your reputation. The biggest threat to any pizza maker isn't an economic downturn or the price of flour. It's routine. When your menu hasn't changed in months, the decor looks tired, or your social media keeps posting the same photo, people stop being surprised and pick the next option that pops up on their phone. Competition isn't just across the street anymore, it's one tap away, waving tempting discounts and delivery apps that push a race to the bottom on price. That pressure creates a vicious cycle. You sell less, drop prices, sacrifice quality, and the business grows weaker every day. Here's the good news. Innovating doesn't mean throwing out what already works. It means finding touch points where you can add value without losing your essence. Introduce a slow-fermented sourdough, a seasonal pie with locally sourced ingredients, or a vegan menu that shows you're in tune with new food trends. Rethink presentation, boxes with illustrations customers want to photograph, rustic plates that highlight craftsmanship, or a QR code that plays a video of the dough being stretched. Operational tweaks count as much as culinary ones. Contactless payments to speed up the counter, scheduled express pickups, or a loyalty program that rewards every visit with points redeemable for extra toppings. But every innovation is wasted if no one sees it or understands it. That's where good marketing comes in. It's not about spending fortunes on ads. It's about clearly communicating what makes you unique. When you post a reel showing cheese bubbling on a new buckwheat crust, you build perceived value. When you target ads within a 3-mile radius and run them only at dinner time, you maximize precise reach. And when you reply to every message in under a minute with a friendly script, you close sales without friction. That trio, perceived value, precise reach, and effective closing, turns each innovation into real revenue. Here's a concrete next step. If you want a detailed, step-by-step roadmap with proven strategies to innovate and sell more, click the link in the description and download the book Pizzeria Imparable. It's a complete manual covering everything from branding to optimization metrics, designed for owners and managers who want to grow without losing their identity or their margins. Whether you're starting with one oven or already running multiple locations, these techniques are built to implement today and see results in the coming weeks. Thanks for listening to this episode on how to innovate in a pizzeria. Remember, tradition without change becomes a museum, and innovation without marketing becomes a secret. Combine both worlds, surprise your customers, and keep your cash register ringing with every slice. We'll see you in the next episode of the Pizzeria Imparable podcast. Until then, spark your creativity, measure your results, and above all, keep the oven hot.